Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all once again for connecting and joining the class of biology. We already discussed in the chapter 7 many of the SQ and today also the session of SQ, and we will try to understand many of the important SQ types. Question number 1. If diaphragm contracted, what happened? Okay, if diaphragm contracted, what happened or what will happen? Okay, first one. Then coughing with breathing distress we have seen, increase the body temperature rapidly, increase the body temperature rapidly is the symptom of which disease? Number 3. Vaccination of tuberculosis is suggested for the baby at the age of Number 4. We will try to understand some important features on going on through. Irregular cell division is responsible for we know many of the answer, but also have trying to connecting there. What is radiotherapy? Number 6. Neurological excitement can cause for and what happened? And number 7. Nasal passage is affected by. I just write some today questionable marks on that one. So in case of the diaphragm and what we have written, that is the matter actually. So who are joining there, I have seen of you. Very good to see. Fehima Jannat. Okay, maybe the first time I have seen you here for watching. Okay, Ishfaqul. Very good. Shaila Sharmin. Muntasir. Okay, Jawadullah. Very good to see, and walaikum salam everyone. Look at here. I have written some question, SQ types of question, and we will try to understand the answer of this type of SQ question. First one, if diaphragm contracted, what happened? So there is two things can be happen in this case. Number one, we can write diaphragm when contracted, it gets down. Of course, contraction. Their diaphragm contraction gets down, and another one happening, the chest cavity increase. Chest cavity increase. These two happen. At the same time is opposite of when diaphragm relax, it just gets up and chest cavity decrease. Feel that diaphragm here. Okay, that can separate the chest cavity and abdominal cavity, chest and abdomen. Okay, so if diaphragm contract means just gets down, it gets down, and chest cavity inside getting relaxed, that means increase. It is important, and also relaxation also have the opposite one. It is also important, that one. In case increase the body temperature rapidly, that means many of the disease we know, we feel that the disease affected by fever, different kinds of cold disease. We know about the bronchitis, pneumonia, like this kinds of disease, asthma. Okay, so which one rapidly increase continuously? Pneumonia is pneumonia and bronchitis. You will write. Actually, very especially for pneumonia, or sometimes you can see the bronchitis, not asthma. Pneumonia or bronchitis. Pneumonia is commonly. Suppose if you are getting affected, pneumonia rapidly increase. That means instantly I have seen 101. Now I have seen the 106 or 5 very rapidly increasing. Other all disease, all kinds of fever can have time, with taking time with the body temperature, with the body strength, with the body cellular division, like that. But in case of the pneumonia, it is rapidly growth. It is unbelievable. Okay, so this one is important. Another one, number third one is this one. The vaccination of the tuberculosis is suggested for the baby at the age of 1 year. 1 year means after born, when 1 year, it is suggested for getting the vaccination. It is where I get, it is a cadet college question I have seen. So you need to remember this one. After born, baby born with having the 1 year, then the vaccination of tuberculosis, BCG vaccine, is suggested for. Okay, so number third, remembering this one. Irregular cell division is responsible for, you know everyone, this question, because class 8, class 9, then after class 10 also we have completed the many of the topics, so it is needed, and you know that the answer of this one, irregular cell division, is done by the papillomavirus and responsible for tumor and cancer. Tumor and cancer. Papillomavirus affected by E6 and E7 gene, and tumor and cancer are the responsible. That means after irregular cell division, tumor and cancer be result. What is radiotherapy? When lung cancer related disease, when it is happening, so some radiation, and it is a scientific method of having the therapy for getting cure, try to getting cure. That is the process of with passing the radiation on the machine and conduction. The therapy is called radiotherapy. So radiotherapy, actually the cancer related disease, who are affected by the cancer related disease, they are getting radiotherapy. Okay, in case of the cancer related. Neurological excitement can cause for, and what happen? Neurological excitement. Can we believe that neurological excitement? Why and what happened? It is the blood floating from brain. Blood floating, blood is connecting, blood is passing very hard way through the neurological excitement. So brain stroke is the result of it. So neurological excitement, when it is going on there, so brain stroke have that chance to getting affected. This one is also important. Nasal passage is affected by, actually we know everyone, bacteria, but someone write the virus. It is the bacteria. Most of them, the nasal passage is affected by the bacteria and dust, not virus. Virus go through nasal passage through the lungs, affected by them. But in the nasal passage, the muscular or muscle, and there is the lots of thing inside the hair is in our nasal passage. They are totally affected by the bacteria, not the virus. So don't have that thinking the bacteria, except bacteria. So bacteria is, nasal passage is affected by the bacteria. Okay, and these are all the SQ types of question we learned from here. I want to repeat once again if it is going on there. If diaphragm contracted, what happen? What will happen? I have written it gets down, diaphragm gets down, and chest cavity will be increased. When diaphragm is getting relaxed, that times the opposite phenomenon, it gets up and chest cavity will increase on that case. So this is the first one question. Then review of the second one. If we try to understand the second one, increase the body temperature rapidly. I told you the pneumonia is the reason of this one, and not the bronchitis also later on, but rapidly the body temperature can grown up by pneumonia. Vaccination of tuberculosis suggested for after born 1 year baby is BCG vaccine. It is also to be remembered. Irregular cell division is responsible for, we know everyone, the tumor and cancer because of affected by papilloma virus. And not only the papilloma virus, we can see here the affected by E6 and E7 gene are responsible for that. What is radiotherapy? When anyone get affected by cancer disease, that times the therapy through which the radiation can be used on that case for curing the disease is called the radiotherapy. Neurological excitement can cause for actually brain stroke. And what happened? Blood floating from the brain. We cannot see inner side. Okay. Nasal passage is affected by actually basically mainly bacteria.